we're here at, not sure what building this is, but this is in Abilene, Texas.
It's connected to the First Financial.
Got some very old elevators. So, ooh, look at this. A really old Westinghouse. That's a really old logo, look at that. Westinghouse. Huh. Really lighted in here. My by ThyssenKrupp.
Floor.
Yeah, this is the West building, or the First Financial.
Floor.
Yeah, this is getting interesting.
Sixth floor. Going down.
What a weird cap, look at that. That's really weird ceiling.
Drop ceiling.
It's not bad mod, it's just very blah. What would you expect? It's a crappy mod.
First floor.
Yeah, look at this. This lobby is really nice. Look at that. This is the First Financial West building. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.